I was looking for a sweet potato dessert to make for Sunday dessert tomorrow, but instead
I had a desire for breakfast tonight, but we don't want to go ordinary.
so we're gonna use the sweet potatoes.
We're going sweet potato waffles on you tonight. Not going to be an ordinary recipe. This is going to go way out there. But we will not get lost doing it.
So we're gonna cook the sweet potatoes first in the Instant Pot. Then we'll mix up the waffles and all. It won't take them long in here, just about 20 or 25 minutes
Oh yeah, this
total time.
Yeah.
What else did he try to say? Oh yeah, earlier he was trying to add all kind of stuff in there and I was like, slow.
We wanted to do this sausage ball pancake.
Yeah,
rolls.
we've been planning that.
Dippers.
You know, I told y'all about it when I made those other,
We're thinking about doing it. It's going
What
to
did
be
I
kind of
make?
like a, how would you do it? Probably like you dip it in the batter and then put it in the grease.
right, yeah.
Make it fry kind of. It's going to be almost like a little donut situation.
Yeah, like a
Like a little friendly sausage donut.
sausage filled donut.
Sausage filled donut.
But not today. We're not doing that today. Today we're doing sweet potato waffles.
How many will we need, baby?
We need, for the recipe,
3?
we need a cup. So yeah, about 3.
We're going to go 3 of them.
Is this the cup?
Right.
That's brown rice flour. So we just need 1 cup of water in the Instant Pot to cook these potatoes, and that's it. I've got the rack in there. So we're just gonna wash them, and I'll poke a few holes in them. Mainly singing the chocolate milk song. There are only gonna be 5 of us here for supper tonight. It's hard to get all 7 around the table these days.
Our boys are growing up on us,
Yeah.
everybody. We didn't like it, but we couldn't stop it.
We're sealed. We're gonna pressure cook. I'll go 17 minutes because some of those are pretty big in there. That's it.
Sour cream, everybody.
Yeah, we're using up all that sour cream we got. I got it on sale for $1 a while back. Remember? Probably we got some over there from them.
We do?
Yeah, I think, unless you cooked them. Did you cook them?
I already cooked those up.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Hey, buddy, will you scoot out there and see if we got any eggs? He's gonna scoot out there. What that means down here in the south is he's just gonna, with his young legs, gonna run across through there and get some eggs. I think that's enough milk right there.
Yeah, we have more in there.
Butter? I should have kept the refrigerator open, shouldn't I? Folks, y'all noticed my bedroom shoes. I hope that's not bothering anybody out there. We definitely want to never offend with our bedroom shoes. Would I offend anybody with my bedroom shoes? No, I sure wouldn't. I don't seek to offend.
Well, we'll plug that up after we see. He's getting ahead of the game.
I get excited.
We gotta wait for these to get done. It's gonna be about 25 minutes. Then we can move that out of our way and plug it up over here.
Folks, it's gonna be a minute.
Here you go. You can crack those eggs into this piggy. That way they're already cracked and ready for us if you want to do that.
I can't
Give
do
you
that.
something to do. He needs to get
yes.
busy.
1 egg.
We can go ahead and measure everything out.
We're gonna go ahead and measure, y'all. The sour cream's gonna be really interesting in these.
Yeah. Cup of sour cream, half a cup of milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, but we'll melt it in a minute. And then we have coconut flour. We got the eggs. You already have those ready, right? Yeah.
We're fixing to go ahead and start mixing right here, everybody.
The dry ingredients, we'll just go ahead and put together here. We're putting half a teaspoon of salt in here with the coconut flour. And you can use any kind of flour, all-purpose or whatever. We had some of this coconut flour left, so we're using that. And 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. There we go. When the sweet potatoes get done, we've got everything measured out, ready to just put in here after we mash them.
Oh, those are perfect.
See that?
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
I'm gonna mash these in the KitchenAid because it does a great job.
Do we want skin on or not?
No.
No skin. No skin, everyone. I'm ready.
If I can get a plate, what is going on with this?
Our plate department is full.
Here you go.
Okay.
Look, it just peels right off of there. Look at that.
Just easy.
You can just throw it right in here.
Okay, everybody, I'm gonna just throw it right in there. Oh. It's okay, y'all. It just fell on a clean board.
Oh yeah, it's fine. Just throw it in there.
All right. I'm getting this and that with the spatula. And it's easy, y'all. Anybody can do it.
It does really look how easy
you want to
that
laugh
peels
about
off.
something like this? It just makes us want to just laugh. It's hot, Jack. That is hot, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Let your potatoes cool. We will mash these up.
Look at the steam coming off there.
I'm looking for my my little wooden spurtle. It's my favorite. Here it is.
Wooden spurtle.
Yeah, now we'll let those cool just a second while, oh, I need to melt the butter. We'll melt this real fast. And we'll go ahead and put the other stuff in here with the flour. So we've got our milk, that was 1/2 cup. We've got the 3 eggs. Here's the butter. That was a 1/4 cup melted butter. Now we're gonna switch to the spurtle because it's gonna start getting all stuck in our whisk here. We'll add the sour cream. If we see that we need to add a little more milk, we will. Put that in and
You'd
then
be surprised what that sour cream's gonna do to it.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna bring it to just about where it needs to be.
Now we'll put the sweet potatoes.
You'll be surprised what these sweet potatoes are gonna do.
We just need about 1 cup, so we have a little more than we need there. Go ahead and grab that milk.
We're gonna get a little milk, everybody.
We're gonna put a little bit more milk in here.
You'll be surprised how much this will do.
Oh yeah, it will. Mm-hmm.
Life will surprise you, folks. What do you think, Mom? Is that enough?
No, we'll need just a little bit more milk.
Wanna put some buttermilk in there?
It don't matter.
Let's try buttermilk.
We'll put a little buttermilk.
We'll put a little buttermilk in these things, y'all.
Buttermilk sweet potato waffles.
Folks, you'll be surprised how much milk we're gonna put.
Yeah. I think that'll do it.
That's gonna do it right there, and if it don't, we'll surprise you and put some more.
Surprise! We're gonna put
More
just
milk.
a little bit more. That'll do it.
Yeah, she didn't play that time, y'all noticed. She just went ahead, didn't you, baby?
Yeah. Game over.
Yeah, she didn't play no games. She got tired of surprising you. These are gonna be some fluffy ones, y'all.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go all the way to the edge in case it expands. That
We're
way
gonna
we don't.
test it.
Yeah, that way we don't have a big overflow. We'll see what happens there.
I watch my hand as I'm talking to the camera so I don't leave a finger on this cutting board. What happened to Brother Titus? He cut his finger off cutting the sausage. That's why some people say sausage.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to correct them. I'm going to keep letting them say it.
Right.
Some people down here in the south say wash.
Yeah.
Like, you know, they're going to go wash the dishes. Wash.
Like towel is towel.
Towel.
Shower is shower. Power.
Fire.
Pretty much any of those hours, we change it to hour.
Yeah, we know what we're talking about.
Actually, hour. Like, it's going to take me about 2 hours. It's going to take me about 2 hours.
It's going to take me about 2 hours to do it.
You need to wash your. You need to wash.
I got to wash my hands right now.
What's this looking
That's
like?
living down in the south.
Oh.
More milk will fix it, folks. We keep it real for you right here. You gonna see. We won't give up on this. Are we smoking? Where's
Oh. So, put your sausage.
Whoa! Our
Put your
sausage.
on.
Our sausage has got to go on,
Put your
y'all.
sausage on.
Let's try another egg. I would add a little bit more sour cream in it too, Mom. Folks, we're gonna add more sour cream and more eggs. I think that's what's wrong with our world today. You know what I mean? Like if we would just add more sour cream and eggs to everything, I think everybody would be happier. That's the reason everybody's mad all the time. Not enough Daisy. 2 more eggs to everybody. Sometimes you gotta just work with what you got. You got a mess. And you got to figure out how to fix it.
Yeah. Yeah, you just remain calm.
You may come see how calm we was?
Cucumber calm.
I was cute. I was cool as a cucumber through that whole deal right there. You can put me under stress. Put me in the kitchen, let everything start smoking. I'll be like, everything's fine. You're gonna hear a beeping noise in just a moment. That is not a hearing test.
It's our smoke alarm.
But do tell me if you can hear it. Oh, you do hear good.
We've tried stuff with this coconut flour.
Coconut flour is something kind of interesting. It only works never. Let's just put it where it's at. Don't buy it. It never has worked out for us, folks.
Tell us what you use coconut flour, what it works good for, because for us, seriously, and we follow the recipes for it.
We try to use
But
it. We
it's
just
so crumbly.
go all purpose. You know what I'm saying?
It's so crumbly.
It fixes the purpose in all situations.
Yeah.
You know, if you just do all purpose. I've noticed it does.
It just crumbles.
No, I'm talking about all purpose.
Oh.
Fixes the purpose in all things. You know, I mean, I'm just saying, use all purpose flour.
Yeah.
And you'll have a rise and a fluff like nobody's business. And we know this is a nosy world.
Gotta add a little baking powder, but you got it.
Yeah. Somebody watching you right now, staring in your window, trying to figure out why you use coconut flour. Moss just told us to. Said we'd have fun trying to figure out how to put more eggs in Daisy. Found they put a whole gallon of milk in there. Things gotta go wrong, you won't have no story to tell, right?
Right, yeah.
You remember that time we made that waffle and it took over the whole room? It started to rise, that thing came out of that whole waffle maker. We thought it was October, we all ran out. The thing started biting. Our sausage is turning out good. This one may be just exactly what we needed it to be, though, you know?
Let's see.
That daisy and that extra egg or two.
Yeah.
This one's gonna be all right. I can see right now that one's a little more fluffy, a little bit more like, yeah. Oh, here it is right here. That's a waffle. It's them small adjustments we make in life, everybody. Sometimes you'll be looking around like, what in the stinking world is going on, everything? I mean, financially, it just seems like, where's the sour cream? If it's on sale, buy a bunch of it, buddy, because you're going to need it. Go put it in the bake. Woo, Mama's our sausage done.
It's getting close.
Look at that. This is Jimmy Dean right here, buddy. He won't let you down. See, it looks really good, and it actually has a really good taste to it. I would probably say use all-purpose flour, and you'll be in business. I mean, really good.
Only because the texture is a little different with the coconut flour, but it's not terrible. You can notice a little bit of a different texture with that coconut flour.
But once we added that daisy and that extra egg or two right there, it softened it back up. It's really good.